Hello everyone, welcome to my video resume. I am Intisifer Awalrid. Currently, I am studying in the Department of Software Engineering at Daffodil International University in Birulia, Sabar, Dhaka. Now, let's focus on my previous academic journey. I have completed my SSC with a GPA 5 out of 5 from Gwalando Naziruddin Pilot Government High School. And also, I have completed my HSC from Government Gwalando Kamrul Islam College with a GPA of 5 out of 5. Currently, in Department of Software Engineering at Daffodil International University, my current CGPA is 3.75 out of 4. And I am trying continuously to build my academic journey more nicely and more goodly so that I can focus on my academic. Also, I have completed one semester exchange program at University Kebangsaan, Malaysia with the help of the International Affairs of Daffodil International University. In Malaysia, I have studied several courses such as programming and object-oriented concepts. In Malaysia, I have made so many international friends and I saw the international life, how actually it is. This exchange program really helped me to build my future, that how actually international life works. And this exchange program helped me to build my academic journey more nicely. Now, let's focus on some of my projects, what I have done in my recent years. In recent years, I have done several projects in C, in Java, in HTML. I have done medical store management system. Also, right now, I am currently working with some artificial intelligence with some data. In Daffodil International University, I am working with several professors with some key research topic. Now, let's focus on my extracurricular activities. From my childhood, I am deeply engaged with debating. In Daffodil International University Debating Club, I am currently serving as the Assistant General Secretary of TIUDC. Also, in the Software Engineering Club, SEC, I am recently joined as the Office and the Organization Secretary. Also, in my hometown, in Raspberry Socio-Cultural Forum, I am a Joint Secretary of Raspberry Socio-Cultural Forum RSCF. In all those extracurricular activities, in all those clubs, I am serving my best to pursue something for my country and for everyone. Now, let's come to the conclusion. I have worked in several projects. I have academically good. I am trying my best, and in my club, I am trying my best to give the nation. So, in the conclusion, I wanna say thanks to all of you to take time to see the video of me to learn about me. Thank you very much.